In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. Then you need to scroll down to tap on Apps. Select Default Apps over here and tap on Home app. Finally, to apply Launcher Pro, click on it. Tap on Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make any changes to it, just go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go back to the same settings as before and tap on the Nothing Launcher to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!